Hello guys, today I want to show what can the Evo Executioner do. The evolution gives him a ability that pushes the troops from Executioner. His quarter range is 3.5 and makes 389 damage when he pushes. The best combo for Executioner is Evo Valkyrie because she makes infinite tornadoes and pulls the enemies. An Executioner pushes away, then the enemy can't move. This is the deck that I recommend and is good for defense from air troops. In my opinion, this evolution is broken because of his ability to push and make extra damage, and I give him 9 out of 10. I hope you enjoyed the video and follow for more.